Good day everyone, my name is Solly and in this video I will introduce the projects that I have developed for my final year project. The name is Flexi Automated Booking System. Basically, it is a personalized and customizable booking system that helps companies in better managing their bookings online. It aims to provide a software solution that allows business owners to create and manage their websites by themselves instead of depending on an intermediary. As a result, Flexi will ease the generations of customer booking websites for business owners. The problem statement for this project is lack of automated direct booking system. As we can see, based on the survey data, there are 83 respondents out of 102, which means over 80% of businesses are still using manual reservation. At here, the manual reservation doesn't mean everything that is written on paper. The booking details entered manually by the clerk to a software like Excel or Google Sheet is also considered as manual reservation. Next, lack of technical knowledge, expensive and time-consuming to build a self-hosted booking system. Meaning to say that building a self-hosted booking system can be expensive and time-consuming, particularly for those who lack of technical knowledge. And last but not least, it's difficult to manage business effectively using a system that is dependent on an intermediary. For example, Agoda, Booking.com, and Fresher. They typically charge a commission fee for every booking made through their platforms. The commission can be different depending on the platform and type of business. But in general, the commission rate charged by this platform are considered to be high, especially for small business with limited budget. This has made it difficult for small business to compete with larger companies. They are able to absorb the cost of the commission fees and offer better price to their customers. And eventually, this has affected small business to attract new customers and retain the existing customers. Besides the high commission rate, cancellation can also be difficult if a system is dependent on an intermediary. So my proposed solution aims to address this issue by developing an automated booking system that is easy to use. Next, the main objective of this project is to study the functionalities and user satisfaction of the existing online booking system and the requirement needed by the users of an automated booking system. So based on the information, I will design, propose, and develop an automated booking system that facilitates or streamlines the booking process for companies that require such a system. I will evaluate the proposed application to ensure that the web application fulfills the user requirements. In short, my goal is to create user-friendly and efficient booking system that enhance the booking experience for both the companies and their customers. As for commercialization, Flexi can be commercialized by companies that use a booking system or general public who are keen to become a business owner that involve reservation. For example, offer a subscription-based pricing model, tiered pricing, discounts and promotion, etc. The main target user of Flexi can be categorized into two, system admin and company admin. But I need to demo that my system is actually working, so I have added a user called customer, which is for simulation purpose. So without any further ado, I will demonstrate my application. So here is the login page where system admin and company admin can log into the admin panel. I will first demonstrate company admin. So ncleaning@gmail.com is one of the company accounts that I have created earlier for demonstration purposes. So when I click login, it will land on the dashboard. And here are some of the services. So when we click on customer booking website, here is the website where the customers can book the service of this company. So when click book now, so the service will be shown here. So let us create a new service. For example, we name it office cleaning. Then description 17. And we can add an image for it. So the price, let's make it 100. And duration 4 hours, which is 240 minutes. So we click Save button. And now here is the new service that we have added. We need to add at least one service provider in order to turn on the visibility. So without any further ado, we add a service provider for it. Let's give it a name, Cindy. Description, maybe 7 years experience. And choose a photo for it. And here are the default start time and end time for this service provider, and we can change the schedule of this service provider by simply, just turn it on for Saturday and Sunday, and we click save. When we go back, we can now turn on the visibility. So when we go to customer booking website, when we click refresh button, it will show the new service that we have added. So right now, the customers can actually book a service. And here is the service provider that the company admin has added just now, Cindy. And then when we click on any day, because we have turned on availability for Saturday and Sunday, so basically Monday to Sunday, it shall be available. Let us see Sunday. So the available time is 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. We can click 9 a.m. And right now the customer shall fill in their details in order to complete the booking. So here is the booking details where the customer can check before filling up their details. So let's fill in a name, email address. Email address must be valid because the invoice and booking confirmation will be sent to the email. ccs@gmail.com and phone number. And when you click confirm, it will bring the customer to the payment gateway. And right now, the customer can choose to pay by credit card, debit card, online banking, or even e-wallet. Let us make the payment through credit debit card. When we click on one of the card, and the customer need to key in the CVV number. Click proceed. And now the customer should key in their credit card password. Click submit. So if the password is correct, the system will show the user the payment is successful. Then the user can print and click save, yes. Then after timeout, it will automatically go back to the service page. So now the user can book other service if they want to. It will show successfully booked. And when we click on it again, when we check the date that we have just booked, here the time slot color has been changed to red color, indicating that this time is not available anymore. So when the customers want to make booking, they only can make 1 p.m. Now let's check the Gmail. So I will go to the Gmail that the customer has keyed in. When the booking is successful, the customer will receive 2 emails. One is booking confirmation and another one is receipt. So from the booking confirmation, the customer can find the booking number, service name, service provider, date, time, as well as duration. If they change their mind, they can click this button to cancel their reservation. So they have to fill up the form booking number as well as email to cancel booking. And another one is receipt. So this is the receipt for the payment. And next, the company admin can check the booking details as well. So this is the latest booking. And here is the payment transaction. If let's say they want to check this booking number particularly, they can put on the search bar and it will just show the payment that has been made by this booking. The company admin can choose their desired template for the customer booking website. For example, they want to change to gym theme, they can just click on it and click save. And right now, go back to the customer booking website and click refresh. It will change to the gym theme. Yeah. Let us change back to the general one. Then here is the company informations. For company name and cleaning limited. So if let's say I want to change it to Sandran Berhad, I can just change and then tagline, maybe I will just delete the second half. And if let's say I want to change the home image and also the book now image, I can drop my files here. I will just save it first for now. So it will mention company information changed successfully. So let us go back to the main page. It will show and cleaning Sandra Berhad and spotless cleaning. Then if let's say I want to change the home image 1, I can just change it. Then home image 2, I can upload another image. And book now image and click save. Then it will mention company information changed successfully. For information, home image 1 is the slideshow on the home page, which is these 2 images, and book now image is the image shown here. So here is the book now image. So just now I haven't refreshed it. Right now when I refresh, it will show the new image that I have just uploaded. Then the book now image has also been changed. For my profile, the user can change their name and change their password and also delete an account if they do not want it anymore. For user management, the company admin can add other employees. For example, name it Yanli and email yanli@gmail.com. Then password. Then roles. For roles, the company admin can choose the roles for the employees that they want to add. If let's say they choose clerk, clerk has a lower permissions, so they only can access to booking detail and also payment transaction. Then click save. It will show new record added successfully. Because company admin has the highest permission, they can manage other employees. So let us log out and log in as Yanli. Yanli is the clerk that has been added by the company admin. So right now, Yanli can only manage booking details and also payment transaction, which means clerk can only access to booking detail and payment transaction and not the others menu. So as we can see, Yanli is logged into the same company, which is N Cleaning Sdn Bhd. Right now, we can log out and let us have a look for system admin. So this is the system admin account. When click login, it will show system admin here, and here are all the services that the company admin has created. So here is the company and Cleaning Sdn Bhd. This one is by other company and Gym Center, and this one is and Cleaning Sdn Bhd. So same goes to client. It will show an extra column for system admin where the system admin can know which company this record belongs to. For example, this one is N Cleaning, this one is N Gym Center, and same goes to booking details. By default, it will sort by booking details from the latest to the earliest. And here, the system admin can view which company this record belongs to. And for status, it could be active, cancelled, or completed. For payment transaction, by default, it will sort by latest to earliest, same as booking details. And for status, it could be paid or refund. And next is manage design. As system admin has no customer booking website, so when they click on manage design, they simply cannot save it. It will prompt, sorry, admin cannot select any design. Next is my profile, where the system admin can change the name if they want to. Then for user management, system admin can manage the permission. Like here is the list of permissions. Then they can create a new role and add the permission. For example, clerk only can manage booking details and payment transaction. Maybe you can add another role called intern that only can manage service and service providers. Next is users. So this role has the highest privilege, system admin, where he or she can oversee all the companies. And for companies, the system admin can view the company admin accounts that has been registered. So for managed service, if let's say system admin add a new service, it will simply not show on any of the customer booking website because system admin does not belong to any company. So for example, I just use Fake Filler to fill up and click save. It can be saved, it can be created, but it simply will not show on any of the customer booking website. For example, I click refresh here, it will not show. So yeah, that's all for my FYP presentation. Thank you.